Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about my 15th item that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport S. Let's make our way over to the front. Alright, let's focus up there, right there. I got hood deflectors. The reason for the hood deflectors is to deflect bugs, little pebbles, anything that can damage sort of the top of your hood. Because you can see as things fly out, go on top, it hits here and then it deflects up top. So that'll be the first impact zone. But to me, it also plays a good aesthetic look to give my Jeep a little bit more personality and uniqueness. So that's the reason I got it also. But yeah, that's my 15th item. It's the Jeep hood deflectors. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.